Mark, this morning Sir Martin Sorrell said that WPP is increasingly becoming a company that is about the application of technology. Can you tell us more?
Yeah, I mean, we have to apply more technology in our business. I think, historically we were strong at creative, we were strong in strategy, we were strong in buying media. But if you see the digitization of media taking place, people are using technology to optimize, to target, to look at the effectiveness of media plans. So we have to have that technology increasingly in-house. I think historically technology has been applied to the process of selling media. Only in the last couple of years have we really applied technology to the buying of media, if you like.
Yes. And I guess with technology just becoming more and more everywhere, I guess the changes in business are not just in marketing, they're across the entire process. How would WPP define the borders of what WPP Digital does?
I think it's interesting, as technology becomes more pervasive, the borders of what we can do, if anything, expand. Historically we may help packaged goods companies market their products. In a world where there's e-commerce, we help them sell their product as well as market them. So there's an expansion in the realm of what we do, but also an expansion in the competitive set. We talk about frenemies, but there are companies such as Google and Yahoo and Microsoft who we work with in some areas, compete with in others. So we have a kind of expanded business opportunity, if you like, and an expanded competitive set, which makes the world more interesting, if not easier to deal with.
Great. I guess one of the new or the increasing areas for WPP Digital is data analytics. And I'm very aware from having worked with supermarkets in the past, that they suddenly had data gushing into them from the 80s onwards, but nearly all of them, with the exception of perhaps Tesco, failed to get many insights out of that data. So it's going to be tough, isn't it?
Well, it's going to be tough. At the same time, I think that the usefulness of the data, particularly when you're looking at web marketing, is so great that actually there are some relatively straightforward things that we can do. We set up the Media Innovation Group, which is a collaboration, if you like, between Group M and 24/7, and they're applying technology to the buying of media. They can look, for example, it's quite interesting, they can look at, they found out for a company that sells games, people buy more games when it's raining. It makes sense.
Yes.
They can now target internet media in areas where it's raining, taking data from wherever, weather.com or such sites. Or we can look at people that bought a pizza. Some people buy pizzas Monday to Thursday, some people buy pizzas on Friday and Saturday. You can target different messages at them depending on where they are. So I think actually once you start to collect the data, the insights start to flow.
Yes, great. I guess another area that I've been picking up on over the past couple of days of stream has been the overall discussion about new markets, emerging markets, and I guess the way technology is moving into them. People have been talking about there's going to be $100 smartphones on sale within 6 months of now. Can you talk more about that?
I think we haven't yet realised the change in the world that's going to take place from the combination of those two trends, technology and rising income levels in most of the world. And when you take, I've got this Nexus One, this Google phone, this device. When people have that device in their hands, they go from having, no information to all of the information ever created in the world at the touch of a button. And I mean, the change will be immense. Absolutely immense. Or take banking, in parts of Africa or India, people don't have physical addresses. You can't post them bank statements. When people have a device like this, you can communicate with them. So I think we don't yet fully understand the change that will take place from the combination of those two trends. I think they will come together.
Yes.